Where do the banks, the hedge funds, the big boys enter the chart? Well, they enter where there is liquidity, and you need to be able to spot where these liquidity pools are. So let's take a look at the chart and show you a couple of examples. So, can you spot the liquidity pools? And just to show, I'm not going to cherry pick. I am going to pick the liquidity pools with you. And this is basically where the big boys trade from. Now, on my right, you can see there are 28 currency pairs. I am going to randomly pick one. Okay. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Probably couldn't have picked a worse pair. Then we are going to choose a broker where there are no drawings on the screen. Okay. Then I'm going to go back in time, right? As you can see here, guys, I'm going to randomly pick a point in time. Okay. Here we go. Now we are going to find liquidity pools. Now we want to follow what our indicator says. Okay, so as part of our indicator, guys, it highlights the direction of the daily candle. Is it bearish or bullish, right? So we want to sell. Okay, so what you need to decide, guys, is where are the liquidity pools? Where do the big boys want to trade from? So let's pinpoint some areas. So there's this area here, which is clearly H4 resistance. I'm using H4 because that's what I typically enter on. I use daily for direction and enter on the H4. So there could be a lot of stops in here and therefore a lot of liquidity. Okay, remember I've randomly picked this. What's the date? This is the 16th of October 25, right? I have no idea what's happening on this day. So let's see what happens. There is also actually, if we pop down to the H1 chart, you can also see there's this level here as well, right? There's a level running through here. So there could be a lot of stops in here. So let's see if we get some liquidity there. So let's start on the H1, right? And let's just play these candles along. Okay. And price just continues down. Okay, we're getting a retrace. Okay, so we have had a reaction at this level. So you can see this level above. There's going to be a lot of stop losses in here on the H1. Now, we've had a pullback into that level with this bearish candle. Let's take a quick look at the H4 and see how it looks. I think we can sell this now, right? The big guys have taken out all of these stops above this level. We're looking to sell from here, potentially back down to these lows. The sell trade would look something like this. So let's play it along and see how it plays out. Okay, there you go, guys. We hit target, right? We come down, hit these lows. Nice trade. We got a risk to reward of 1:2.5, and you can just see the power of trading from liquidity pools. Remember, guys, if you want more tutorials like this, if you want to find out how we trade liquidity pools, then please come join the VIP Academy. And right now, we are giving you a 7-day free trial, no obligation. Just give it a go, and the link is in the video description below. All right, guys, see you in the VIP soon. Let's take a look at another example, right? Let me randomly pick a currency pair. We have got pound US dollar. Let's use a broker that I haven't drawn on, and let's go back in time. Again, I'm using the H4 with daily direction. Let's use the back to the future button, right? And I'm just going to randomly pick a point on this chart. Okay, here we go. So now our indicator, which you can see on our screen, is indicating that daily is bullish. Right, so we're looking for buys, and you can already see a liquidity grab happen down here. So looking for buys, the only area really that we can look for a liquidity grab right now, it's pretty much already happened, is down here, right? So we could actually start buying this candle. Again, guys, I've just randomly picked it. I'm not cherry picking it. This is the 3rd of September 25. And we're looking for buys because our indicator determines daily trend for us. Okay, now obviously H4 is in this downtrend, but we're looking for liquidity. And below these lows, this would have been some stop losses in here, and this would be liquidity. Okay, so our buy trade will look something like this. We've literally got one straight away. So here's the trade, and I'm using this as a target because this is a big psychological level, 1.3500, but I'd probably let some profit run potentially up to these highs if we hit target. Okay, so here's our trade. That stop loss is a little bit tight. Let's just move that down. There's the trade. Let's see how it plays out. Buyers have come in here where they've taken out some stop losses. We're looking to buy because the daily says so. Let's see if this trade plays out. And there you go, guys, right? Again, trading from liquidity, it just goes to show how powerful these setups can be. And these have not been cherry picked, obviously, randomly picked, but the same happens every day in the market. And if you want to learn how to take trades just like this, how to trade from liquidity, then please come join our VIP Academy. And right now we are giving you a 7-day free trial. There's no obligation. You can just join it for 7 days. So please go check out the link below the vid. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you soon.